Hello friends, so today in this video I am going to show you how to install Java in any Windows. So first I will show you in my laptop there is no Java. So for that I will show you CMD and then I will type Java. Java is installed or not. So here Java is not installed, that's why it is telling it is not recognized as internal command. So now I will show you how to install Java. As I have already downloaded the Java file, so I will give the link in the description. You can download also. Download MSI only. I will give direct link from there. You can download it. It is of 150 MB C. Then after downloading, click on install it. It will take some time, and it will take some time. Till then I will see, and I will say what all we have to do. Then click on next. Again click on next. After giving the permission, it is start. Yeah, see, now it is successfully installed, as you can see here. And here it is recommending that click next step to access tutorial API, and that all. We will not do that. I will directly close it. Now Java is installed in my machine. Java is installed, but if we run the code, it will run the, but some functions may not be running well. So we have to do some setting. Go to C drive, in that files, and you have to search here Java. See, my Java is here only, and here it is saying the time also at 26th 9 2021 2026. It is time 8:26. Here also, as you can see, 2028. So click on that, click on JDK 17 and copy this path. As you can click here, if you click right click or left click, it will copy. Then copy it, right click and copy it. After that, go to this PC, right click, then go to property. And after property we have to go to advanced settings. As you can see here, advanced settings. So it coming, so it comes. After that you have to click on here environment variable. Then we will add new user, which is Java home. Do as it is what I am doing, Java home, and paste that path what we have copied. Then click on OK. And here also we will do some same. Here also Java home, I will write Java home, and then I will paste that path. Then click on OK. Again, now click on OK. Now again click on OK, and now our Java is successfully installed. So I will show you. As you type CMD here, see, and I will type Java here. See, these all are coming. And if I say Java hyphen version, then it is showing Java version 17. It is installed in my this. Then I will show you a little program. I have a little program, and I will show you. To write the program, what we have to do, go to D drive, and anywhere from anywhere you can do. I have already make one file as Java. Then in that I have done some program. I will show you this table multiplication Java multiple. I will show you. See, this only our Java code, our program. It is multiplication table. I will show you how to run this. Just remember the name multiple table and Java. So go to in this, and I will try the screen, and screen will be clear. And after that I will go to my D drive. It is entered into D drive. Then my file is changed directly to Java, and it is entered into Java. Then I will see what all files are in there in Java. So see, these all files are there in Java, but I want to run this one, multiple table. So what I will do, I will compile first. So I will write Java C, and our file name, that is multable, multable.java. As you can see, both are matching. If both are not matching, then it will give error. Multable.java. After I press enter. After that I have pressed enter, and it will take some time for the first time. Let's see what will happen. See, no error is coming, so it is giving directly. And now I will type Java for running in mul table. See, it is asking for enter number. If I enter 3, then see up to 3, it is printing the number 3, 10, 13, that all it is printing. So that's how you can run